Hello friends, today's topic is very interesting. Why does a share I buy go down immediately? Many investors usually say that the stock price falls down whenever I buy a stock and the stock price rises the moment I sell a stock. This is the most common phenomena that investors face during their investment in stock markets. Stocks fall after we buy because most of the times, by the time we buy certain stocks, it might have gone up by 10 to 20% in a short period and investors may be doing profit booking. It is just a psychological feeling that the stock has fallen only after we bought. Similarly, we may have been holding a stock for some time. The stock price was hardly moving. Finally, we lose patience and sell. Once we sell, it suddenly starts rising and we feel that it is our bad luck that we sold it too early. Once again, it is just a psychological feeling which almost all investors face. In fact, if you observe, we always hope that once we buy a stock, it should go up from next day itself so that we feel good about our decision. Similarly, once we sell, we hope that the stock price falls so that we feel that we have taken the right decision to sell at the right price. In fact, if you are investing for long-term SEP, it is advantageous if the price falls after we buy since it will help us reduce our average purchase price. For example, if a fundamentally strong company is available at rupees 100 per share, suppose it falls to 90 next month due to overall fall in market, it's a good news for long-term investors. Another important point to note is that if a stock grows from 100 to 1000 in the next 15 years, it will not go up in a straight line such as 100, 120, 150, 200, 300, etc. Most likely, it will go up and down throughout the journey from 100 to 1000. It may move like 100, 120, 100, 90, 130, 180, 150, 190, 220, 250, 210 and finally one day may reach 1000. This is why we always mention in our videos that you should be able to do your own research and you should have confidence on the stocks you invest in. If you don't have confidence on the stock, then when the stock falls from 100 to 80, you'll be extremely scared, sell the stock thinking that the price may fall to 50 to 60. In fact, there could be periods when the stock prices stay stagnant for a few years, during which majority of the investors lose patience and sell and regret later when the stock price suddenly zooms higher. Today at 2 p.m. in our other channel, Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada, we have released an interesting video, 7 ಬಹಳ ಪುರಾತನ ಕಾಲದ ಷೇರುಗಳು. Channel link is available in the video description box below. Today at 2:30 p.m. in the same channel, we have released another interesting video, Warren Buffett ಅವರ 6 ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ನುಡಿಮುತ್ತುಗಳು. On 8th November Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, as a service to Kannadigas, we are conducting a free live question answer session for all channel members and the questions that you want to ask should be typed between 9 and 9:15 p.m. only. Now I am showing you the long-term graph of Asian Paints from the year 2000 and see it's a continuous uptrend. Now I am showing you the Asian Paints graph of 1 year and see it is a sideways movement. If you observe the two graphs, in the 22 years graph everything looks smooth, it looks like a continuous uptrend. However, if you observe the 1 year graph, then you can see many ups and downs, 10% or so in between, since most investors find it difficult to see the big picture. Unless you have self-confidence that you have bought the right stocks, you will not hold for long term. If stock market profits was the result of knowing a list of good companies to invest, then everybody would make profits. However, investing in a list of stocks is different. Holding it with conviction for the long term is totally different. Finally, at the end of the video, here is a question. Have you had the same feeling that once you buy a stock, the price falls? Yes or no? You may type it in the chat box. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends. Video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.